Soaps. Happy Saturday. Today we're going to do what I like to think of as a little fun video. We're going to test our organic Castile soap against one of the top brands, which is Dr. Bonner's Castile soap. So let's take a look here. We're going to do a lather test. This one here is our Castile soap. So I'm going to go ahead and cut just a little small piece for the test because we don't really need a whole one. And this one here, as you can see on the camera, is the Dr. Bonner. So I'm going to hold it up so you can see. I'm going to read the ingredients. The ingredients are organic coconut oil, organic palm oil, sodium hydroxide, which is lye, water, organic olive oil, lavender extract, organic hemp oil, lavender extract again, sea salt, citric acid, jojoba oil or jojoba oil, however you pronounce it, and let's see, citric acid, and this one is a little hard for me to see. Let me see what this says here. Okay, looks like it says tocopherol. If I pronounced that right, probably not, but I do know that is a form of vitamin E. So that is the ingredients that are in this one. In ours, we have just grounded up oatmeal and olive oil and coconut oil. We have 3 ingredients in here. So I don't really consider it to be Castile soap with all of these ingredients in here, but we're still going to go ahead and do this lather test for you. So let me get this bar opened up for you. I wanted to open it up and do this straight on camera, so I didn't test it out beforehand or anything. So, all right. This one is their lavender scent, I guess. So this is kind of what the bar looks like out. It does smell like lavender. Ours is unscented, so it's great for babies. It's great for those with sensitive skin. And we're going to go ahead and cut a little bit of this piece off. It's a little hard too, my goodness. Okay. Kind of broke off in pieces. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's crazy. But okay. All right. Still got enough to wash our hands with. So let's take a look. Make sure you guys can see the sink and everything. Let me take a look here so you can kind of see. Let me make sure I can move this up a little bit for you guys. Okay. So we're going to start with the Dr. Bonner soap. I'm just going to rinse my hands first. And I'm going to grab this little small piece here of their soap. And we're going to see what happens. And we're going to work it in here. I'm going to get it on both sides of my hands here. There we go. I'm going to put it back on the towel. Okay, so let me see if you can see this on the camera. I'm going to bring it up a little closer. So this is the lather. Pretty good lather. Okay, so you guys can see that. That's just with their little water and so forth. Okay, so there we go. Okay, make sure you can see that on both sides. Okay, so it has a pretty good lather. All right, I'm going to go ahead and rinse that off. Okay, to make sure I have that all rinsed off. All right, now I have our bar. This is our Castile bar here. So now I'm going to rinse my hands one more time, make sure the other one's completely off. And we're going to do this one. I'm going to do the same thing. And put a little bit to the side here. And this one is ours. So as you can see, very good lather. To me, this lather, our lather on ours, and I'm not being biased, is a little bit thicker. Don't know if you can tell that. It's smoother than the Dr. Bonner's, and the biggest difference is, of course, the ingredients. This one has 3 ingredients. It's very lather, very thick, very gentle on the skin compared to the several ingredients that are in here. So I think that's the biggest difference. So just wanted you guys to be able to see that. So that's what ours looks like. And I'm going to go ahead and rinse that off for you. Okay, so now we have a good idea of the similar types of soap. The only difference is here, ours is not scented. This one is completely unscented, and theirs is scented. So that is a guide for you guys. The Castile soap, you see two versions, our version and a very popular brand. We'll start bringing some of these to you guys as well every once in a while. I think the next one we're probably going to do will be a similar comparison to one of the soaps from Lush. So stay tuned and watch for that. Check us out on social media. You can find us on Facebook at Pamper Soaps, Instagram Pamper Soaps, and our website is pampersoaps.com. So we'll be back next week. I hope you guys enjoyed this and got a chance to see for yourself the difference in their Castile soap compared to ours. Okay, guys, until next week, be blessed.